Alright guys, as promised, we're going to do the cold start video here, and then I'm going to pop the hood and we can walk around to the front and listen to the motor. Probably temperature wise, I don't know, probably high 40s, low 50s. You can see the pollen that's already settled on it. This is just in one day. Well, maybe it's hard to see. Yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, so it just idled down, so the cold start procedure is over. As promised, we have the windshield shades, so I have to put my buyer's guides up so they're visible. I slide them, that's my parking pass. I slide them down in front of the shades. I had one Boxer that was here, I think last summer, the summer before, with a full leather. And it sat here for like a month maybe before the guy arranged his shipping. And when he came to pick it up, the door panel had started shrinking. It was terrible. I had one, so I replaced it, but I learned my lesson after that with the full leather interiors. And granted, it's not summer yet. Like, it's not, you know, it gets really hot here. It gets, you know, 100, 110 degrees. But just, you know, the sun beating down on that dash can't be too careful. And I don't want anything to happen to it while I have it. All right, guys, there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.